Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Edge 70 Pro, and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection if you want to use the pre-installed wallpapers, because sometimes the Motorola needs the internet connection to show you additional albums. However, if you just want to use something from your own gallery, you don't really need to think about it. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here let's scroll down and find the Personalize. Let's tap on it. Now let's tap on this preview here in the left upper corner, and as you can see here, we've got the lock screen and the home screen. We can check which wallpaper we've got right now applied, and as you can see under it, we've got 3 albums from which we can choose the wallpaper from. So Image Studio, My Photos, which is your own gallery. In Image Studio you can, I believe, create something using AI. You need to be logged into your Motorola account, and Curated Images, where you've got the pre-installed wallpapers. After tapping on Curated Wallpapers, you need to open More Wallpapers here, because we are transferred to the Strange section. So just tap on More Wallpapers, and here we've got additional albums, and those are the albums that are available if you've got the internet connection. Here you can also again enter your own gallery if you want to. And basically it works similar. You just need to give the permissions it needs, and you will be transferred to your gallery. You need to select the photo you want to apply. I'll pick something from those options, maybe something from geometric shapes. I'm not sure. Let me maybe choose this one. So just tap on the wallpaper that you'd like to use, and here we can tap to edit the photo, so we can adjust the position, scale and angle of the photos. We can zoom it in, we can kind of zoom it out, we can change the position. I don't really understand what's going on with the angle. We cannot really, I don't know, rotate it or whatever. I think we can leave it like that. And if you're happy with the results, tap on the tick icon in the right upper corner. So again, here we've got the preview of the lock screen and the home screen. Now we can simply tap on Set Wallpaper in the right upper corner. And now finally we can decide whether we want to set it on the lock screen, home screen or both. It's up to you. Just make sure that the option you want to use is marked. If you want to do it only for the home screen, make sure that the lock screen is unticked. And the same situation if you would like to set it on the lock screen, just untick the home screen. However, I'll pick both and tap on Set. Now we can go back, and as you can see, the wallpaper has been applied successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.